Ever wonder if there's a faster way to prep for QBRs? If all of your clients are getting the insights they need? If the data you're presenting is up to date, accurate, and consistent? We do, every day. And we don't just wonder about it, we designed a system to solve for it. Meet Lifecycle Insights, the quick QBR reporting tool that focuses on better data, better insights, better business. First, better data. Instead of having to cobble together data from multiple sources, we pull asset configuration data from ConnectWise Manage or IT Glue, and we do warranty lookups directly from Dell, Lenovo, and HP. With always up-to-date data, the dashboard gives you a clear visual on the end-of-life status for all of your clients' assets. Even more critically, Lifecycle Insights provides an overall data quality score and a data quality score per client, letting you know at a glance, with stoplight color coding, which client's data are ready for a QBR. Drilling into the missing data tile allows you to download a list of all the devices that have missing data elements. Handing that list to a tech prior to a QBR will allow that tech to fill in the gaps, increase data quality, and provide better reporting. And that leads to better insights. Providing your customers with reports on asset warranty status as well as end-of-life status is well established in the industry as a critical component for a QBR. In our research, MSPs told us they were spending 2 to 7 hours per client per review cycle to compile this data. Oftentimes, they were pulling the data from a warranty platform and a PSA in addition to their own internal spreadsheets. As you can see here, Lifecycle Insights aggregates all of that for you, and color swatching is applied to allow for additional insights. You could easily download the full asset report into CSV or a nicely formatted Word doc for exec-friendly consumption. Or you can sort, swatch, search, or filter the data to answer specific questions. For example, let's find all of the devices that have expired warranties. We do this by leaving the red swatch, which indicates an expired warranty, and remove the others by clicking the blue, yellow, and green swatch. In this demo data, you can see we have 160 expired warranties. But you can also see from the end-of-life column that many of these devices themselves are at or approaching end of life. But let's see if any of the devices with out-of-date warranties are not approaching end of life. So let's leave the green swatch on, and we find 5 machines that we need to discuss. We could ask ourselves the same question about operating systems. How many expiring operating systems does this client have? In this case, an unfortunate number of Windows 7 machines. But if I look at how many of those machines are not at end of life, I can see that there are 30 machines that could simply get an operating system upgrade. Let me toggle back on the end-of-life swatches to get the full list of assets with expiring operating systems and an expired end-of-life status. This particular client is a school system that has a high school and an elementary school location. Since we are going to have to install devices separately at each site, I can filter the report to just the high school assets and provide that list to the principal. So while the overall asset list should be included in your QBR packet, the quick insights provide value year-round. The same holds true to help clients reconcile their user lists. At a high level, Lifecycle Insights provides a summary of active and available licenses. Advising on opportunities to save your clients money gives credence to your role as a trusted advisor. There's also a full user list detail, which pulls supported users from ConnectWise Manage as well as Office 365. Again, visuals make it easy to see in which systems users exist for easy reconciling. also showing last login and license type. Again, the reports can be downloaded as a CSV or formatted Word doc, ready to print or edit as needed. And with better insights, with easy reporting, comes better business for you and your clients. A truly strategic QBR should involve more than your point of contact. It should include the CEO, CFO, and IT decision maker or department head if they have one. So QBRs are expensive meetings in terms of salaries and positions of the executives in the room. So providing value is key. The other report that provides a high value for your client is a budget report. There's a great deal of self-service customization in Lifecycle Insights. All of the timing involved in the coloring, approaching, and expiring dates can be set at the MSP level, the client level, or even the individual asset level. The same holds true for the asset value, which flows through to the budget reports. It is important to be able to offer them a high-end, high-level, several-year out projection or a detailed view by month or quarter. These options help your business by putting the sales opportunity in front of the client. But more importantly, providing these forecasts to your clients solidifies your relationship as a strategic partner. To make scheduling client reviews a simple part of the process, we also have a business review scheduler. If you have run into us live or on social media or in a webinar, you know that we talk a lot about QBRs in the MSP space. And our challenge is that not only can we not give QBRs to all our clients quarterly, not all of them need them quarterly. So we like to call them SBRs, for strategic business reviews. And we have designed a flexible scheduler to allow you to adjust the timing of your reviews based on the needs of your clients. Let's take a look. This new functionality has two new menu options, the business review and the scheduler. Your first step is to set up a business review. I can either set up an individual review in the business review tab or see an overview and work from the scheduler. I'm going to work from the scheduler. When I click on scheduler, you can see that we have reviews set up for all of our demo clients. If you have a large set of companies, you could easily click here to find clients to schedule. Before we dive into a specific client, let's take a look at the features here. I can see by the green calendar icons which reviews have been scheduled or scheduled and completed, like the December People Are Us one, or scheduled but past due or canceled. In just a minute, we'll click into the review to see why it was canceled. The gold calendars are auto-scheduled as a reminder to schedule, and so that Lifecycle can track in the top row how many business reviews are planned for each month. Now let's look at some of the details for the business review. Let's check in on creative designs. We can see notes about the December review and click in for more details, which include the date, the contact, and status. Attendees can be added, as well as notes and artifacts. So if you had your agenda or QBR packet with handwritten notes that you wanted to save, you could upload them here to review before your next check-in. This client has already been scheduled, but if I have a client without meetings scheduled, or if you want to change the meeting cadence, you can simply click the Change Schedule Settings button. Let's do that for Hogwarts. Hogwarts has grown, so we want to move from annual to semi-annual. And Maureen is now my primary contact. When I click Save, it recalculates the meetings for me. So the scheduler allows you an overview summary of all of your reviews, and clicking into any client takes you to the individual business review for whichever client is chosen in your client picker. So from quick visualizations of dashboard insights to detailed reporting, Lifecycle Insights eliminates the worry of time, money, and data quality for your QBRs, and a scheduler to make it happen in a jiff. For more examples on how to use the platform and provide value to your clients, you can find us at lifecycleinsights.io, or follow us on Twitter at LifecycleMSP or YouTube, Lifecycle Insights-MSP. Thank you, and happy life cycling.